Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to create another donate chart here. So how we are going to create it, guys, if you are ready, let's get to start to create another donate chart here. So let's get to started and to learning to create best way you are going to create your donate chart. So guys, are you ready? If guys you are new here, like subscribe to this channel and then let's go to this channel and you will never miss one of my tutorials. You are going to learning everything step by step to become a master in data science, master to become a data analyst. So let's go to create our project. Guys, to come to here, just copy. You're gonna click like this, select and then copy, then to paste. See, you are already there. Then to take here, copy exactly like this. Because everything is going to be the same, that we are going to change these things. So here, so how we are going to change, guys, like if the big or small, so guys, you go to resize to make it perfect, okay? So for me, it's look great. Okay, so like come to here, click like this, and right side here, we don't want to change in the values because everything stay on the same. Only we are going to change this one. So how we are going to do it, that one? Come to guys here. We don't want to disorder this one. We are going to create the live condition. So you see here this live condition, guys. Take this one, put here. Okay. Okay. There's a multiple you see here chart looking here. You see there's a many kind of here. So we don't want to be look like this. We are going to change this one. How we are going to change? So let me to show you. You guys come to here. Uh, come to here live conditioners. Like right click, and then we are going to group. We're going to create a group. Here, guys, we have a darkness, darks, and then a daylight. So we are going to create this all. I select like this, control, select like this. We are going to make a group. So this one, we just called dark, and this one called day. So now to say okay, because we are already grouped. Okay. So guys, come to here. We don't want this one like condition because we already created groups. Now we are going to take these groups. Take groups, put like this. Look, guys, see how to become a master in data analyze. This way, you are going to solve really world problems. You are going to make it better in your own. You are going to create a good project in your own. So you don't want to someone to create your uh, project because you have the ideas. You are just learning it in the basic thing and going to create it. Okay, so come to here. Let's go to change the colors. Click here, guys, to come to here. Let's go to here, slide. Yeah, I love to get, guys, this color. Or you want it more light, like, yeah, this one is better. But also come to here. We're going to get the color blue. We already have a blue. Let's to get like this one. How about this one? Yes, this color is perfect. Then just click like this. Then we are going to change in the title, right? So this is not same the title, so we are only going to change the title. Everything is still the same. Like this, come to here again. come to general. We don't want it to get car here, casuals, okay, casuals, by, light, light, the, and uh, look, perfect guys. This way, you're going to create so many charts on the page chart you're going to use. So in this way, you're going to create. So there's only left two charts we are going to use in our next videos. So our guys, our full stack data analyze dashboard, it's almost done. So see you in my next video.